First, the top news headlines. Citizenship Amendment Bill gets President's assent, becomes Act. Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe may cancel India trip amid protests over Citizenship Act. And 3 killed during anti-CAB protest in Assam. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving with the news in details. President Ramnath Kovind on Thursday gave his assent to the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, turning it into an act. According to an official notification, the act comes into effect with its publication in the official gazette on Thursday, a media report said. According to the act, members of Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian communities who have come from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan till December 31, 2014 and facing religious persecution there will not be treated as illegal immigrants but given Indian citizenship. The Citizenship Amendment Bill was passed by Rajya Sabha on Wednesday and Lok Sabha on Monday. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe is considering cancelling his trip to India, scheduled to begin on Sunday, Japan's GG Press reported. Guwahati, the planned venue for a summit between Abe and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has been engulfed in violent protests over the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act. As Assam reeled under violent protests over the contentious law, External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Ravish Kumar and on Thursday said there was no clarity on whether the government would go ahead with the India-Japan annual summit in Guwahati from December 15 to 17 as planned. Though the government has not announced the venue for the summit, preparations were underway to host it in Guwahati. Assam has been witnessing massive protests in the last 2 days, with thousands of people hitting the streets defying prohibitory orders to demand scrapping of the bill. At least 4 persons died due to bullet injuries on Thursday after police opened fire on protesters in Guwahati. Three persons were killed so far in Guwahati in Assam during the anti-CAB protest that raged through the state over the past few days since the contentious bill was passed in Rajya Sabha. According to media reports, one of them died at Guwahati's Hatigaon during the ongoing violent protest, while another protester who sustained injury in CRPF firing in Lachit Nagar area in Ulubari yesterday died in a hospital. Reports also say that several others were also injured during the protest. Amid the escalating tension in the state, President Ramnath Kovind has given his assent to the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, turning the bill into an act. Now we have our Guwahati Bureau Chief Hemanta on the line. Hemanta, give us the latest update on the ongoing anti-CAB protests in Guwahati and other parts of Assam. Has the army taken over complete responsibility of the state of affairs in Assam in the wake of violent protests against anti-Citizenship Amendment Bill?
Yes, Loving. Today is the 4th day in protesting against the CAB. Army take flag march at different places across Assam the protest against passing of the citizenship bill. Center moving more than 5,000 paramilitary troops and 24 companies to control the raging protest. But today is a peace in early morning, and today curfew has been suspended from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. in Guwahati and Dibrugarh. Government already announced Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University and Cotton University and school also has cancelled all exams, all mobile networks are shut down, all trains are cancelled and national highway are blocked at this till now. Loving.
Hemanta, what is the exact number of deaths in the protest so far?
Yes, I think yesterday, thousands of protesters come out city area, attack to government offices and bomb tires, clash with the police and many raised slogans protesting against the state. 3 persons shot dead to control increasing violence last night at Basista, Lasik Nagar and Hatigao in Guwahati. One big question for everyone that Indian President Ramnath Kovind signed the state and has given the constitutional recognition yesterday. Now, it is worth mentioning that how ASU and other organizations ready to appeal the issue to the Supreme Court. The ASU and other organizations are observing and are hunger strike at the Sanmari till now. At the meanwhile, IGP of Maharashtra, Abdul Rahman, has resigned opposing the case. Even the UNO also opposing the bill loving.
Well, we hope for the best solutions at the earliest. Thank you, Hemanta, for joining us. We have a short commercial break now. Coming up next, Dibrugarh District Administration in Assam relaxes indefinite curfew for 7 hours.
Manipuri ahanba amadi adongi khwaidagi pamjaba satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV Airtel DTH ki channel number 646 ta fangbiragani. Baldev, a premier study circle, holiday special, day camp, class 1 to 8 starting 11 December 2019, timing 11 AM to 2:30 PM. Foundation course for class 9 and 10, subjects Science, Social Science and Mathematics, starting 16 December 2019. Registration on or before 10th December 2019. Van service available. Maximum 20 students per class for class 9 and 10. For more details, please visit Baldev, Uripok Khoisnam Lekai, Imphal.
Anau amadi nungai pa, government ki thaba ma soina phangba yargani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnabagi damakta guarantee pidun lagli. India ki oina sarkar ki thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaleba ICS coaching center Imphal aso hangan. ICS ki thoidoba officers singdi course amakak ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department singi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haibu singa sidida thabak line phangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari natraga manga sangadaba question singbu second ahum natraga mari da solve to bangamale. Imphal da leriba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chawju thamjari. For details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singiba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan lawzari. Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pizari.
Akupa marol gi damakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitayananda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Mang ramda umikyo ikon goy buni yansa
Sangai Tuition Center, admission open for revision course for class 10 and 12. Classes are going on. New foundation course for class 6 to 10 and 12. Classes commencing on 19 December. Mock tests will be held on every Sunday with spoken class for English and Hindi. Mathematical technique for better understanding and acquire more scientific knowledge. We also provide study materials. Vision for toppers. 10% fee concession for students of government schools. 20% fee concession for local students. 50% fee concession for physically challenged students. Hostel for boys and girls. Van service available. For details, please contact Sangai Tuition Center, Kokwa, or call us at 98561 55400 or 8787 690 436.
Welcome back after the break. The Dibrugarh District Administration in Assam relaxed the indefinite curfew today for 7 hours from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. even though mobile internet services remained suspended. The curfew imposed in Guwahati on evening of December 11, however, has not been relaxed yet, due to which the citizens are facing a lot of trouble. Public transport has remained off-road and this has been causing a lot of trouble to the people. Train services from Guwahati have all been suspended from today. The All Assam Students Union, ASU, along with Artist Fraternity of Assam and several members of citizen groups of Guwahati, set on Saturday for a 10-hour hunger strike from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Assam Engineering Institute playground and Chanmari area of the Guwahati today. The indefinite curfew was clamped Guwahati and Dibrugarh after the Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act turned violent in the city. Considering the ongoing violent protest in Guwahati, the Manipur government has advised OSD of Manipur Bhavan in Guwahati, Sanjay Srivastava, to assist any stranded persons in Guwahati through the helpline number 9810-220-784. On the other hand, anyone in distress due to the ongoing CAB agitation in Guwahati may also contact Inspector General of Police, Zone 1, Clay Kongsai at 9436021111 and IGP Operations E. Priyokumar at 9612474672 or 9436020329. Bishnupur District Police, under the command of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, carried out a cordon and search operation at Kongkham Awang Lekai within Ward Number 9 of Bishnupur District this morning. In the operation, 345 people, including 180 women, were verified, and later 5 KYKL cadres who are currently on bail and 10 non-locals were picked up and handed over to Nambol Police Station for further necessary verification. Like every year, the free coaching classes for High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2019-20 conducted by All Community Development Organization Moray has begun today at Akodom office located at Moray. Superintendent of Police, Tengnopal District, T.H. Vikramjit Singh, Commandant of 43 Assam Rifles, Sumit Sood, SDPO Moray, Mega Berna, and others attended the coaching class commencement function. Talking at the event, SP Vikramjit said that HSLC examination is one of the most important and difficult examinations of every student, as the examination result decides their future. He also urged all participating students to put heart and soul while attending the coaching classes. He also extended financial support to Akodom.
Class 10 haibasi akhoi satra magi career sembada yamna maruoiba important oiba stage amani aduna nangi tungi jumbi nangi tungi leiba nangi aim and objective ramado phangna honarabuda class 10 asina basic foundation amo oiba.
On the other hand, Commandant Sumit Sood also assured Akodom that the Assam Rifles would provide every necessary requirement for the free coaching camp. He also announced to reward Rs 50,000 each to all students who can enter the top 20 ranks in the upcoming exam.
Sending this national integration tour to Mumbai and Pune in January. So if you will be interested and you think you want to see the rest of India and it will motivate you to do well in your education and also to decide the career for yourself, you can volunteer. We will shortlist, we will get in touch with the school staff and Ecodome, and we will shortlist you and we will select you to go to Mumbai and Pune.
Ecodome also announced to give ₹20,000 and 2 years scholarship to students who come out among the top 20 position holders in the examination. Let's take another short commercial break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features: mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Hau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahi tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tohonba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 6009445552.
Traditional Healing Center. Adungai ipaipu haktaktagi chanaraklaba maite hidakna laying jari. Iramdamda fangliba manamasing kaya sizinaduna side effect laitana laying jari. Hakchangi mari suba saru sayang samba amadi singli lonsinaba khaktanatana haksang fagatpangamdana leiba kaya fagalhan mangamba laying ni. Ngasi maglengsin birau Traditional Healing Center, National Game Village Road, Lamfelpat 795004. Contact number 961 255 8587.
India ki ahanba amasung anisuba IBBF Fitness Miss India contest ta anira gold loduna Manipuri gi mingset purakrabi Joyceni Devi gi instruction makhada hangdok seroi Valentina Fitness Center.
Nupi khaktagi oiba nupaga punna sanamina bagi nuaitaba koiba amata leiroidaba jimni. Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction, opposite Churasampur Parking. Mafam asida Zumba Gym, Cardio na jingbagi sanaba khudongchaba su phangbigani. Ayuk pung mga dagina numidang pung nipan phauba sanaba phangbaga loinana akopa marol gidamak Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction dagi khangbiba yagani. Lengsing birau nupi khaktagi oiba gym Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction opposite Churasampur Parking. Telephone number 9612058028.
Yang ware
sok thabana loidi Wabdo Kongnaba Rebalance.
Soktabadu Kongnaba Rebalance.
Rebalance the Haksang Soul, Amadi electrolytes in the Awapa Mekatuna, Adongi Haksangu Takan Tambangamali. Rebalance Habadi, electrolytes Amadi Energy.
Welcome back. Highways passing through Churachandpur and Bishnupur districts of Manipur will be closed in connection with the visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe to the state on 17th of this month. The step is a part of the security measures taken up by Bishnupur district administration for the high-profile visit by the two leaders, official sources say today. Haumi, along with its associated pressure group, We Support ILP, felicitated Sapamcha Jadumani yesterday at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal, in recognition of his activities and roles played for various organizations in the state. Talking at the occasion, Jadumani expressed happiness over ILP being introduced in the state. He also appreciated all members of Haumi for organizing the event. Further, Jadumani stressed on the responsibilities needed by the general public and government in proper implementation of IOP in the state. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Australia and New Zealand today launched a joint bid to host the 2023 Women's World Cup, which officials said would help supercharge female sport in the region. Governing body FIFA plans to increase the number of teams to 32 for the tournament from 24 at this year's event in France, and a two-country format would be able to better cope with the extra fixtures, they said. Australian Sports Minister Richard Colbeck said that both the countries have the infrastructure, expertise and enthusiasm to co-host the FIFA Women's World Cup 2023. Now let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Northeast boils, 3 killed in Guwahati as anti-CAB stir rages in Assam. West Bengal, Punjab, Kerala say no to CAB. Anti-CAB campaign will go on, says Manpack. Peace Memorial renovated ahead of Abe Modi visit. Imphal Free Press. Manipur needs another Nupilal, says N. Biren. State observes 18th Nupilal Day. CAB. 3 die in police firing as Assam remains on boil. Ranjan draws Home Ministry's attention on border issues. Anti-CAB agitations to continue, reaffirms Manpack. Exempt entire Northeast from CAB, demands NEFIP. The People's Chronicle. 2 killed, MLA's house torch, top corpse removed. Federation demands cut-off date. Students court arrest to protest detention of AMSU volunteers. DMU students threaten to ban semester exam. The Morning Bell. 2 death in police firing. Ban on internet extended and airlines cancelled. Rich tributes paid to brave mothers on Nupilal Day. Government fully committed to uphold dignity and honor of women, says Chief Minister. MP Ranjan seeks adequate funds for infrastructural development in the state. MP Ranjan urges HM to settle interstate boundary disputes. Annual Mutsu Meet 2019 held. Be a provider rather than being a seeker, says Education Minister. Manipur Mail. Rich tributes paid to brave mothers on Nupilal Day. Hindu community uncertain about future after CAB, says Kapil Sibal. Be a provider rather than being a seeker, says Education Minister.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Citizenship Amendment Bill gets President's assent, becomes Act. Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe may cancel India trip amid protests over Citizenship Act. And 3 killed during anti-CAB protest in Assam. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.